To find my lead's email address right from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I'm using two very simple tricks, which you can also steal from me. And so I'm going to show them to you step by step. The first one is pretty straightforward. So I'm currently on a lead search here on Sales Navigator, and I've just clicked on viewed your profile recently, but obviously you can do any other search. And I'm going to show you another example. This is a bit of a manual process, but like I have about 170 people who checked my profile recently. So if I scroll down, obviously it's a bit difficult to find anybody's email. But sometimes when you click on a person's profile and you visit it as well, so here I'm on this person's profile as well, I can see they have contact information available, so phone number as well as email address. I can even see all. They sometimes have their Twitter, he has a WeChat as well. So I can show you another example for another account. So person just below here, if I open the profile, I can see they also have their personal email address available. Note that this information is not always available, and specifically if you're searching for emails at a scale, this might be a little bit tedious. So the next method makes it at scale and is probably better for you here. So for the second trick, I created a new search with CTOs based in Boston in companies of between 11 to 50 employees, and it tells me that I have about 199 results. Obviously, the issue by checking one by one is that it might be a little bit tedious, so I need a way to export all of these contacts and find their emails as well. So in order to do that, I'm using an app called Scalelist. They have a Chrome extension that you can also install, so they allow you to find your leads emails as well as mobile numbers. And in order to use it on Sales Navigator, there's a Chrome extension, which you can search on the Chrome Web Store. So you can type Scalelist or use the link on the description of the video. Click on Add to Chrome. So it's going to add it. Obviously, this works on Google Chrome, add extension. And now I have it. So if I go back now to Sales Navigator and I refresh the page, I'll see a button that will show up on the top right-hand corner here, Export Leads. So now I want to export these leads. I'm going to click on Export. Okay, it's going to load a new page on my account. So of course, you have to create your trial account. You'll be given a certain amount of credits to test it out, but I have a paid account for more credits as well. So here, I'm going to call it email finding, just as I want. Here, the toggle just says skip email finding to export the list faster. Since I do want the emails, I'm going to toggle this off so that it also search for the emails. Basically, we'll export all the information, first name, last name, company name, etc., and search also for my contact's email address. So here it tells me that the cost is 1 credit per lead exported, and any email that will be found will not be coming at an extra cost. So it's actually included. So here, export 199 leads. It will start the export. It'll give me a time frame by which it will be done. So it says about 7 minutes. Obviously, I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. Now, let's say I want to export only one person out of the list. I can click on the profile, and here I have the same export lead button that appears. If I click on it, I can choose to create a new list or add the person to a list as well. It's automatically going to search for the person's email. So once it finds it, it's just going to give it to me. But I'm going to show you how it looks like on an entire export as well, so you can see the full results. And here you go. My export is done. It has exported the 199 leads, found a total of 140 emails, out of which it verified those emails to tell me 129 are valid and 13 are risky. Valid emails are emails that are safe to use. Risky emails are just emails we found, but we can't tell you whether they're for sure working or not, so we give them anyways. On an extraction like this, you're not charged for emails found, you're only charged per lead exported. So now we want to see what the final result looks like. I've got a lot of emails here. I want to see if I can get that as a CSV or as an Excel file, and I'm going to show you the final result. So now if I click on export CSV, I can choose whether I selected specific leads or just those that have a valid email. I'm going to export all of the leads to show you the entire file. Now I got it. So if I go back to my drive, I can upload it. Can open it also with anything else, but I usually like to open them with the drive. So let's see what the final sheet looks like. There you go. I've got my sheet, and it will include everybody's LinkedIn profile URL, Sales Navigator URL, first name, last name, job title, company name, industry, many other details, and of course, as well, their email address and the verification status. So that was super easy. I can use it at scale, or can use it for specific profiles to export, or I can go profile one by one and check their about section. So yeah, finding your leads' email addresses on LinkedIn Sales Navigator is not that difficult after all. If you have an existing spreadsheet that includes a lot of leads for which you don't have the email address, but you want to find them in bulk, this next video here is going to show you how you can do that as well. Over to you, and happy scaling.